Hello.
Now everything, now
Yes,
everything is
Ravi, ready.
good, right?
Yes, Ravi, fine.
Yes,
Fine.
Yes,
Yeah, you
Ravi.
can continue on
fine.
the
Yes,
same
Ravi.
application, Ravi.
Same application, right?
Yeah, yeah. No need of new
Yes,
one.
Satyu.
Yeah, Ravi, same application.
Okay, very nice, very nice, good. Okay,
We
guys.
are ready in both conditions.
Okay, no, actually, because already we seen that two application now, right? Related to how we can create a same things we will use in the another application also. So first one I'm going to sixth application I'm going to use it, right, guys? So come here in the resources. In the resources, what is that? Home HTML we created, right? So
Yes.
Yes,
yes.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
So okay guys, so good, so very nice, very nice. So here what is that? Okay, so what I'm going to do now, guys, what I'm going to do now, inside that, what, see this in the title, just remove the title, these things I'm going to remove it, no need. Okay, okay, my voice is breaking. Good.
Yes, sometimes it's breaking little bit.
Sometimes little bit.
Now it is fine. I mean,
Now
sometimes.
Now it's fine.
okay, so now fine, right?
Yes, yes, now fine.
Okay, good. So, okay, guys. So here, what is that? Already we imported. What is the theme leaf URL, right? In the what this HTML file. Okay, good. So here, what I'm going to do now? Here, just style. I'm going to take what is that? I'm some styling. Means what I'm going to use? What some CSS concept, guys. Okay, some CSS concept here. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, guys? So I'm going to use what
Now
another.
it's breaking.
Now I'm going to use what this link, guys.
Ravi, your voice is breaking.
Now it's breaking.
Okay, okay, 1 minute.
Your voice is breaking.
Now
It is fine.
fine,
Now
right?
it is fine. It's not.
Yes, now
Fine.
it's fine now.
Better.
Okay, okay. Every services, whatever services I'm taking with the net, I'm stopping every services. Just I'm taking the session now, guys. Still, it's breaking now. Okay. So now fine, right? Currently it's fine. Still breaking now.
Yes, Ravi. Currently
No,
it's
no,
fine.
now
It
fine.
is fine.
Okay, good. So here, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to what, implement some CSS now, guys. Okay. So to go. What are you doing, man? Please control your finger. Okay, don't show your talent on screen now. Who's that? Today I think so many people are joined with the different country. Tobasco, yeah, what is the name? Tobasco, right? Yeah, Tobasco. From which country? Unmute yourself now. I want to know that. Tobasco, please unmute yourself. Okay, are you there? Okay, are you there? Just give your suggestion also, man. I don't know, man or woman. Okay, so don't hide yourself. You are there at the meeting. Just unmute yourself. Okay, no issue. Okay, good. So here, what is that? Welcome to first application is there, right? So here I'm going to apply what one CSS now, guys. Okay, one CSS now, guys. Okay, good. So what is the CSS style? What is that style? Style what? Style what? Style type colon, right? Okay, yeah, no. Style type equal to what? Just I'm taking what? Text
Type
CSS.
CSS
Yes,
slash text slash CSS.
yes. So this is the style. I'm going to apply what is that? Just I'm taking what dot my data one, right? My data one, inside that what I'm going to just make that color, right? Welcome to what first application is there, right? So just I'm going to take this one as what color colon red, right? That's it. Nothing more than else, guys. Nothing more than else, right? So okay, so what I'm going to do now in the what in the like h2 class I'm taking what class equal to what class equal to my data, right? My data one, that's it. Okay, so again I'm going to run the application now, guys. Okay, come here. Now right click, run our application. Okay. See this, it's a welcome to first, it's a came or not ready is came, right guys?
Yes,
Come
sir.
on.
Yes.
Means
Yes,
what?
Ravi. Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
We can
sir.
we can
Yes,
able we can
Yes,
able
yes, yes, Ravi.
we can able to apply the CSS or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi,
Ravi.
yes.
Yes, applied.
But in the real time, guys, whenever we are applying the CSS, JavaScript, and what Bootstrap means, those coding we are not writing in the what same page now. We are writing in the separate folder and we are reusing. This is called what is that? This is the what one inline. Another one is what class level. Sorry.
Inline CSS.
Yeah, no, this is the not inline CSS. Which line CSS now? Just let me know that, guys. Three level CSS are there. Three level CSS, three level JavaScript is there. We are applying three level in the HTML page. Anyone tell?
External, internal,
External, internal, and
internal,
in that line.
and
Yeah, in line, if we are using apply, we apply directly in the tag. That is called what? Inline CSS.
inline.
If we are using in what is that in header section, right? In the header section, if we are using what CSS, that is called what? That is
Internal CSS.
internal CSS. But what is that? Always in the real time we are using what? External CSS or external JS now, guys.
External.
External CSS.
Because if we write every code in the single page only, then it will become what? This page will become what? Heavyweight. Heavyweight.
Complex.
Yeah, heavyweight. That page will become heavyweight, and whenever we will make the request, then what? The page at the loading time, that page will take what? More time. Then what is that? Our application performance will reduce or not?
Will become slow.
Our application performance will go down or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Yes,
Ravi.
Go
yes,
down.
yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
okay. So for that, what we are doing? We are using what? External CSS now, guys. Okay.
External
So
CSS.
okay, so for that, where we will write the external CSS, let's create in the static section. Are there or not, guys? Come on, one static section is there now in the application resource folder. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. There. SRC
Yes,
main
sir.
resource.
So
yes, sure.
Yes, a
yeah,
static folder is
yeah,
there.
inside that, what we will do now, we will create one folder now, guys. Okay, inside that any folder name, static name we cannot change, but what inside that
Breaking voice.
Voice is breaking, Ravi.
Voice
Voice
is
is
breaking,
breaking,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Okay, so now fine.
Yes,
Yes.
fine.
Now
Yes.
fine.
Okay, good. So what is that? What we will do now? Static folder as it is now. But what is that internal folder? We can take anything. Okay. So what I'm going to take one folder. I'm going to take it now, guys. CSS folder. I'm going to take it now. Inside that what? Static now, guys. Come on, everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
inside the
sir.
Yes,
static.
Ravi.
Static. Yeah.
So okay. So inside that, what
Yes,
I'm
Ravi.
going to do now, I'm going to take what one file now, guys. Okay, I'm going to take one file now. So just what app1. I'm taking what app1 dot css, that file name. External CSS. I'm going to use it, guys. Okay. So I'm going to create what one CSS, and what I'm going to do now, guys. What I'm going to do now, just I'm going to copy this
Remove this Mirko.
what is that? I'm going to copy this one. What? And I'm going to place that what code inside that CSS external CSS file now, guys. Okay, so everyone is understanding now? Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
understand.
Ravi. External CSS.
Okay,
Yes,
so
Ravi. Understand. Yeah.
okay, so after then what we will do now, guys? So we will link that, right? We will link here in the so okay, no, okay. So now okay. So what I'm going to do now, guys? So inside that what? In the header section, right? In the header section, we will link that file. Okay, we will link that file now, guys. I'm going to explain what this tag now, guys. Okay, because of that I'm explaining this one. Okay, because of that, to linking what another file to what in our application. For that, what we are using now at the rate we are using, because to explaining this what tag, I'm explaining this concept, guys. Okay, this is the HTML CSS concept, but still why I'm explaining. So think about that, how I'm analyzing the subject and how I'm making to everyone can understand the subject, guys. Okay, so good. So what is that? I created one external CSS. Okay, so whatever static things will be there, we will create inside that what is static folder now, guys. Okay, so inside that I created one folder now. Inside that I created one file. Inside that one file, what I place now, this my data means whatever I wrote related to CSS, that CSS code I place inside that file now, guys. Okay, so here what I will do now, we will link that. Okay, we will link that what file now. Okay, inside that what, so what is that link, what is that link, what is that, what will be there, read right, styles it, right, styles it. Styles it. After then, okay, so here what is that, what is the reference of this URL now, guys?
miss
th, right? So here we will take what, th,
Try filling.
th, right? Yes, t, okay, yes, ty.
Voice breaking, Ravi.
Voice breaking, Ravi.
Okay, okay, yes. Now fine, now fine.
in a style E is missed.
No.
Voice is not audible.
Now everything is fine now, guys, come on.
Yes, correct, right?
Yes,
It's fine now.
Yes.
yes,
Okay.
fine now.
Okay, so good. So here what we will take now, reference of what, this URL. So what is the reference now, guys? th, right? Come on.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, Ravi.
So href, we will take what, href equal to, okay, so where, what is the folder structure?
It should be HREF.
Yeah,
App1.cs.
Ravi,
href,
HREF. Ravi, yeah.
href,
yes,
Yes, correct.
href, right? Href equal to what is that now, guys? Okay, so here what is that, what is the folder structure now, guys? What is the
to
folder,
pass
where the
location,
where the
static CSS,
where our CSS file is there? What is the folder structure now, guys?
in
Static CSS.
We say static.
app1.css,
Yeah, CSS. What is that? CSS app1.css. This is what.
app1.css.
Yes, Ravi.
So come here, right? So to link this, right? To link this what? To link this what? To link this what file. So for that, what tag we will use it now, guys? What tag we will use it now, guys? So just I explained it.
At the rate.
At the rate.
At the rate.
At the rate sign.
Someone who's that?
At the rate,
Someone. Yes.
Path slash CSS slash file.
Yes. So here what we will do now, at the rate, here we will take at the rate, open curly bracket and a close curly bracket, right? After then what, slash, what is
Voice breaking, Ravi.
everyone is still
Voice is not at all audible, right?
okay. One minute, guys. Now guys, everyone.
No, Ravi, still it is not fine.
Okay, problem, yeah. Okay. Now guys, everyone give the response now.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Fine.
Ravi, audible, fine.
yes,
Fine, right?
fine.
Okay, so good.
Yes. No.
Okay, guys. So, okay, so how we can link it using what is that? What is the folder structure now, guys? CSS, right? Come on.
Yes, CSS.
Yes, CSS
Yes,
and
yes,
app
yes.
one.
Yeah. So
App
we will take the.
app one dot
We will take what? We will take what? Slash. What is that? CSS, right? After then what? Slash. After then what is the file name, guys?
App1.css.
CSS, right? App1 dot what? CSS, right? So now like this. So based on that, where file is there in another folder. So if we want to link that another file inside that of our what application. So for that, which tag we will use it now, guys?
tag.
Yeah, at the rate symbol.
At
At the rate symbol, not a
At the
tag.
rate
At the rate symbol we will use. Okay, we will use.
Sorry.
Okay, so now let's run the application now, guys. Right click. Okay, so now come to our watch. Yes, we will now refresh it. Still we are getting what? Welcome to red or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
getting.
Yes, Ravi.
Correct.
Yes, Ravi.
You want to? Okay, no problem. Right? Use the green. Green. Now come to our what? Our browser. Now refresh it. See this? Welcome to first means what?
Yes,
It's working or
green
not?
Yes,
color.
Green color.
No, green.
green color.
Yes,
It's working or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
It's
Ravi.
working.
Working.
It's done.
Okay, so good guys. So now, okay, so let's next one. Let's experiment next level discussion now. Are you ready now?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Now session is interesting or not, guys? I know that because of voice breaking, some issue is there,
No.
but I'm trying to make the
Yes, Ravi.
session.
Interesting. No issue.
But still, I'm trying to make the session too much interesting. I think I'm believing on this, but I don't know others. What is your perception now, guys? Let me know that.
It's
Yes, Ravi. It's
interesting.
interesting.
Interesting, Ravi. Interesting.
Okay, good guys. So CSS we applied now. So what I'm going to do now, in this time I'm going to apply JavaScript, guys. Okay, JavaScript now. Okay, so here come here and what, let's see that. Okay, inside that what I'm going to apply now is script, right? Script. I'm going to apply what script now, JavaScript, right? So inside that, just normal. I'm not going to use what total scripting language. Okay, alert. Right? Alert. Inside that, just I'm writing what? Hello data, right? So this is what our JSP. Sorry, this is a Tabasco. What is your problem, man? Every time you are doing the nonsense things on the screen, and I'm saying that please unmute yourself, and you are not unmuting. I don't know what is your problem. You want to remove? I will not take fraction of second also to removing you. Okay, please control your finger if you are there in the session. If you are there in the session, please, what is that? Maintain the discipline. Otherwise, leave the session. I don't have a need to explain like you people. Okay. 2 times I want. 3rd time I will not warn you. Okay. This is the last time. That's it. Okay. Good. So what is that? See this. Okay. So alert, right? Alert is there. Hello data is there, right? Alert is there, right? So what I'm going to do now, just come to our browser now, refresh it. So see this here, what is that hello data we are getting, right? Means what our JavaScript is applied on our what page or not, guys? Come on.
yes.
Yes, Ravi. Applied.
Now click on that. Then we are getting the welcome to first application or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, getting.
Yes. Yes, Ravi.
We are
Yes,
getting.
Ravi. Getting.
Okay, so but in the real time, what is that our JavaScript also not there in our what application now, guys? Okay, in our application, our Java Java, what is that? Java code also not there in what? In the same page. So for that, what? Go inside that static and create one folder now, guys. Okay, create one folder now, guys. Okay, so what is that? What folder you will create it now? Just I'm creating what? JS folder, right? Just I'm creating what? JS folder now. Okay, so JS folder, inside that I'm creating one file. Inside that I'm creating one file now, guys. Okay, right click new, and what? File. Take one. He's a disturbing. I think he's not came for what? Learning purpose. Okay, let's remove him. Okay, guys, wait him. Okay, first I will remove him, then we will continue the session. I think he left by default only. Okay. The people are, the problem is what? The people are joining with what? Phone, and they are doing nonsense on the screen now. What we can say that what? Education also not, the people are taking education also not as a proper. Think about that. What we can say about this kind of people now, guys? In the if you join with the what phone, in the phone one feature is there. Based on that feature, if you are using that, what is that? If you are doing like anything on the screen, it will visible in my screen also, and those things reflect to your screen also now, guys. Why you people, everyone is become silent now, guys? What you can say like these people?
Yes, this is not tolerable. Others are getting affected because of
This is not good.
This
yes.
is a very bad.
Because they are joining first, they are trying what happened in this one.
They idiot. What we can say? Education also not taking the serious this kind of people. Think about that. It means we can say what related we are. We can't what.
Yes, they want to.
Uh,
They want to disturb others. That's it, right? Like.
yes. No issue, guys. Okay, no issue. Okay, leave it. This kind of people. They are writing our future ourselves only, right? Because their future is really, we can observe what kind of future will be there. This kind of people, right? Because here we are doing the hard work. Here we are doing the hard work. Still, we are suffering sometime in our career and our life, right? So this, who is the disturbing others, right? God will take care of this kind of people, right?
True, Ravi, correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So here, what I'm going to take now, guys. What I'm going to take it now, guys. So here I'm going to take one test, right? TEST test.js, right? Extension. I'm taking what? JS file, right? JS. Okay. So good. Okay. So JS, right? So JS, inside that, what we are going to do now? We are moving that code inside that this JSP now, guys. Okay. Inside this what? GSP, sorry, in the JavaScript, right? JavaScript file, we are moving that code now, guys. Okay. Gautam. I think this fellow also doing Gautam, right? 2 to 3 people are came today in the session.
They are all new people, Ravi.
Yes.
Disturb.
Actually, they can't able to catch up also our session, because already our session is near about in the last step.
And we are in the middle, right?
Yeah, so and they can catch up it also session, but, so we can observe, we can know that these people are just came for the disturbing purpose only, right?
Yeah, they'll not even unmute and speak also.
Yeah, I
They'll be
said
on mute only.
yeah.
Quite. If they do it by mistake, immediately they
would
say
have,
sorry
yeah,
and
they would
you
have said sorry
Yes,
by
yes.
muting themselves.
Yeah, okay, no issue, leave it. Yeah, okay, we will no. Okay, if they will disturb much, then we will think about that other, because multiple ways there, right? Multiple ways there, we can choose one or another way. So let them. Okay, so what is that? Alert data is there, right? Alert data is there. Good. So alert data is there now. Okay, so inside that alert data, what we did now, we moved this code inside that what? JS test.js folder. Now come here. Okay, so what is that? Remove this one. Remove this one, right? No, not remove. Okay, so inside that only, right? Inside that only, what we will do now? Here, come inside, right? th, what, take this reference guys, okay, th, okay, th colon src, src, right, src equal to inside that, what is that, how we imported the, like what css, same like how we will import this test file. Now guys, just tell you people only, right, just tell you people only, what,
At the rate
Slash,
yeah,
symbol,
at the rate,
yeah,
at the
at
rate
the rate,
braces slash
braces.
yeah, slash
ks slash
yes slash what, test
slash
test dot,
Test dot JS.
dot js.
good, very good. See this, what he sent to message, Nirjala, what, Nirjala, okay, Nirjala, what she sent, you know, one, what, heart symbol she sent, and what she wrote, you know, Ravi, I love you. Think about that, which kind of she is now. Direct message, she is sending to me private, guys. I don't know, it's visible to you people, my chat box.
So it's
Hello,
not
Ravi.
visible to us.
Not visible, Ravi.
1 minute, guys. I will copy.
Not with
I will copy that. Right. That Nirjala. I don't know. See, because sometime no boy also
Yeah,
taking.
Nirjala.
Yeah. Sometime you know the boy also
Girl's
taking.
name, yeah.
Taking the name, and what is that? Think about that. What she? I don't know. She or he. What the people are thinking about me. In the chat box, right, in the chat box, everyone, I'm sending what she sent now. See this, like this word is sending to me what she is thinking about me, idiot. First become something in your life, okay, then think about that I love you, this kind of word. Nonsense.
Ravi, maybe the people they want
Yeah,
to
they wanted you
disturb
are
you
doing. That's right.
because you are delivering good job, right? That's why they just wanted to disturb us. That's it.
Don't think about that, this
Just
word
like the
will
Maybe-
not,
because
I don't know guys,
Maybe they
okay,
have some other
listen,
business.
girl or boy, right? If girl also there, this word will not work here, okay? I'm not like that boy, by listening this kind of what, I love you or anything, I will start those things, okay? Forget about this word to work here, okay? This word will not work here, okay? I'm so far from this kind of
Other
nasty.
institutes admins also may get join and they get say like this.
Ravi, maybe you are
Disturb
recording is
you
there,
only.
some is disturbing one.
Yeah, someone
She,
is disturbing
they
No,
sent again, Ravi, please. Again, they sent. She sent one more.
Yeah, Ravi, block them. That's better. Otherwise, we are going to waste our time because of these two.
Just
Yes,
because
sir.
other institutes admins also may or they are
Ravi, maybe
interested in
your
spoil these
recording will be
classes.
disturbed.
That's it.
yes, yes, because
See.
these things will come in the recording also, right?
Yeah, because that's why. Yeah, they wanted to. They are doing. It.
Because everyone is watching because you uploaded into YouTube.
I
Yeah,
think
we just stop the
That's why.
recording, Ravi. You just stop the recording and then. Yes, Ravi.
yeah, okay.
Yes, Ravi, please go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yes, Ravi. Please go ahead.
right click
Yes, we can carry on now.
now Spring Boot application now, okay, so run it. Okay, first stop the again server, now run it. See what happened now. Something error we are getting, right? Application failed to start. What is that? Error 5700.
Already application is running.
Stop
Stop
the
again.
It's
server.
still running.
Stop the server.
No, I stopped already, right? Okay, good.
Yeah, now what?
Okay, good. So come here. Okay, now refresh it. See this, our hello data JSP still is working or not, guys? Even we are taking external CSS, external JS now, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi, working.
Data.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, working, Ravi.
Okay, now come to test, right? Hello data, right? Data is there, now just take hello only, right? Now come to again what? Refresh it. See, hello we are getting, means what, our external CSS is working or not, guys? Come on. Come on, everyone.
Working
Yes,
Ravi.
yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Okay, now click OK. Now it's okay. So like this, what is that? We seen that usage of what at the rate as well as what at the rate as well as what different folder now, guys. Where we will use what is that CSS, where we will use GS JavaScript in the real time project now, guys. Come on, like this folder will be there, and we are using like this in our application now, guys. Okay, so let's take one more things, guys. Okay, let's implement what one image also. How we can implement image in our what HTML now, guys. Okay, let's see that. Okay, let's see that. So what I'm going to do now? So here I'm going to take one HTML file. Sorry, image now. Okay, guys. So I'm going to take one image now. Okay, 1 minute. I will refresh it now, guys. Okay, I'll refresh it now. Where it is now? Okay. Okay, no issue. This image is there, not this image only we will take. Okay, so now copy this one, right? The property inside the detail. Yeah, I'm copying this one, right? This one. Okay, so come here. Okay, come to our application now, guys. Okay, come to our HTML file. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, guys. So here I'm going to take one image tag. What is that? IMG, right?
Yeah.
IMG image tag I'm taking, right?
MG.
Image tag, right? Image tag I'm taking. Inside that, what is that? What is the theme list reference now, guys? TH, right? We will take the TH
TH.
colon SRC equal to what? Equal to, after then what is that?
Paste here.
To one, no,
You are right. You are right.
no,
At the rate.
to give the
At the rate curly braces.
external resources in our application. What we will take now, guys? At the rate this curly bracket, open bracket, right?
Curly braces.
Yeah, now slash now image, right? That image path we will pass it now, guys. Okay, that image path we will pass in the application now, guys. Okay, so here what is that? Just make this one. Now come to our page now. Refresh. Okay, it's not coming. Oh, sorry, my mistake now, guys. Okay, like this, it will not will be there now. It's my mistake now. So what we will do now? Image, right? We will place the image. We will take one folder again. What is that image? IMGES images folder we are taking. Okay, any name you can take it, right? Any name you can take it. Okay. So what you will do now? Copy this image now. Copy this image and come to this folder and paste it, right? Paste it. Paste it inside that. This image is there now, right? Come on, guys.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. PNG.
Okay, so just remove everything. Okay, so here in which folder it is there now, guys?
Images.
Images, right?
by
Yeah,
Images folder.
images, right? Now slash. Oh,
IMPGS.
Folder name is
1
wrong.
minute, I will.
Folder name is
wrong.
Now fine, right?
Yeah, no, right. Yes.
Now
Yes, Ravi.
come to our page. Now refresh it. Now see this. We are able to get the image in our application or not, guys.
Yes, sir, we got.
Yes,
Ravi.
Got it.
Yes.
We are
Yes,
getting.
good.
Now you people are confident about that what theme little bit. We seen
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Ravi.
Yeah, Ravi,
Yes,
confident.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
we seen that about dollar symbol and at the